That's right. For companies like Paul Davis, they've got a wait list of about 400 customers deep right now. I'm actually outside of their warehouse where they take a lot of those waterlogged items like pieces of furniture, rugs, carpets like the one you can see poking out of this massive dumpster that they throw everything into that cannot be saved.
We're getting through probably about 70 jobs a day, I'd say on average.
It's amazing what an inch of water can cost a homeowner.
But a whole basement similar to this situation, you're looking at probably $5,000 to $6,000 for drying, removal, and that type of stuff.
Virginia Jones, a retired Waukesha Schools librarian, has lived in her home about 50 years and has never dealt with this before.
When I found over an inch of water in the bathroom and everything else was soaking wet, it was traumatic.
She doesn't live on a floodplain, doesn't even live downhill, so there's been no reason to ever need flood insurance until now.
Sort of disaster kind of feeling. What should I do first? Kind of when I looked around and realized finally what was causing, or what the extent of the problem.
By Tuesday, this father and son's crew from Paul Davis were saving what they could from the water and ripping out the rest, using industrial fans and dehumidifiers to dry it all out. They, like so many area restoration teams, have been tearing through hundreds of basements in southeast Wisconsin. Their wait list about 400 properties deep, all damaged by Sunday's record rainfall.
If somebody's able to help you, by all means, use that contractor, but we are trying to service as many people as we possibly can.
Property owners like Jones, in the meantime, saving.
I have stacks of photograph albums right here that I brought up from the basement right away.
Anything they can.
Caroline, this is some of the worst flooding these restoration companies have dealt with.
That's right. I spoke to about 10 different area restoration companies, Kristen. All of them tell me that they have never seen anything like this before, and all of them are dealing with a wait list of at least dozens, if not hundreds, of customers deep.